Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make green hummus. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready, including cooked chickpeas, fresh spinach, and a good quality tahini. We'll start by combining the base ingredients in a food processor. Then, we'll add the greens to achieve that beautiful, vibrant color and extra flavor. Finally, we'll blend everything until it's perfectly smooth and ready to serve. For the perfect green hummus, you'll need 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, thoroughly drained and rinsed. Incorporate about 2 cups of fresh spinach or kale for that signature color and added nutrients. Don't forget the essential 1/4 cup of tahini, along with the juice of 1 large lemon. These core ingredients create the rich, authentic flavor profile we're aiming for. A touch of garlic and cumin will elevate it further. To achieve that wonderfully smooth and creamy texture, place all your prepared ingredients into a high-speed blender or food processor. Begin blending and gradually add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cold water or even a little ice to help it emulsify. Continue processing until there are no lumps and the hummus is perfectly uniform. Scrape down the sides as needed to ensure everything is incorporated. Once your green hummus is ready, transfer it to a serving bowl. Garnish with a drizzle of good quality olive oil, a sprinkle of paprika, or some fresh herbs for an appealing finish. It's best served chilled with pita bread, fresh vegetables, or as a spread. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Be sure to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.